Welcome. Today's video will take you into the vibrant world of acrylic paintings and reveal the many advantages it offers regardless of your level of experience. Join us as we go over the top 5 reasons why acrylic paintings ought to be your next creative endeavor, irrespective of where you are in your creative journey. Acrylic painting is a medium that is highly therapeutic in addition to being vivid and adaptable. So benefit number 1 is vibrant colors and expressiveness. There is something mesmerizing about this rich, vibrant colors of acrylic paint. With its quick drying nature, you can blend layers and mix colors effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, acrylics offer a wide range of possibilities to express your creativity. Benefit number 2, forgiving and versatile. One of the greatest advantages of acrylics is for their forgiving nature. Unlike some other mediums, acrylic paint allows you to correct mistakes easily. Its versatility lets you experiment with various techniques from impasto to glazing, giving your artwork a unique and dynamic texture. Benefit number 3, quick drying time. When inspiration strikes, time is of the importance. Acrylic paint dries quickly, allowing you to build layers and add details in less time. So say goodbye to waiting for paint to dry and welcome to a more efficient and productive painting process. Benefit number 4, durability and longevity. Ever wish your artwork could stand the test of time? Acrylic paintings are known for their durability and resistance to aging. The colors remain vibrant and the canvas stays intact, ensuring that your masterpiece will be enjoyed for years to come. Benefit number 5, easy cleanup. Now let's talk about the practical side of things. Cleaning up after a painting session can be a breeze with acrylics. Water is all you need to clean your brushes and palette, making the post-painting process hassle-free and enjoyable. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 benefits of acrylic painting. Whether you're looking for a creative outlet, therapeutic escape, or a new hobby, acrylics might just be the perfect fit for you. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay connected and updated on all the art posting. Until next time, keep creating and expressing yourself. Happy painting!